Canon's commitment to innovation takes your business to new heights, no matter what comes your way. Our reliable, secure, and eco-friendly imageFORCE technology enables your team to print better, do more, and stay ahead. Being mindful of every print can contribute to broader ambitions. The imageFORCE dashboard tracks environmental performance with real-time metrics to help cut energy and waste. Smart settings like automatic duplex and sleep mode ensure your device runs at peak efficiency. It's technology that works with you to build a sustainable, cost-effective office. And as your business needs evolve, our Unified Firmware Platform will keep your technology up to date, guaranteeing optimal performance. When you're moving at blistering pace, it can be easy to lose sight of security. Our Security Environment Estimator uses machine learning technology to analyze your network and recommend the best security settings for your environment. Have peace of mind knowing that while you're working hard, Canon's keeping you safe. You need durable and reliable printing solutions to defy the status quo. Our imageFORCE line is built with a one-of-a-kind welded frame, engineered for unwavering precision and stability. And no loose screws means a lighter and longer-lasting printer. To keep you moving, guided self-support videos are available right on the printer's screen to help you maximize uptime. Supporting every imageFORCE printer is a suite of enterprise-level Canon software solutions ready to take flight across your organization. So you can build a holistic business ecosystem that can adapt when you scale. imageFORCE bridges the gap between quality, workflow, and security, serving as the heartbeat of your modern business. Ensure you're not just keeping up, you're floating above the rest. Because at the end of the day, it's about the results.